Today's video is sponsored by Athletic Greens. So welcome back everyone, Mike here. It is first thing in the morning. I just drove into town and went for a little walk. I did about 3 miles. It's almost 6 a.m. right now. I'm gonna head back to the house and pretty much wait till it gets light, and then we're gonna tear into some firewood and some other things. So I mentioned earlier that today's video was sponsored by Athletic Greens, and we're actually pretty excited about this. This is our first sponsored video for Athletic Greens. As you can tell, looking at both of us right here, Melissa's the more athletic one than me, but Melissa will tell you just a little bit about Athletic Greens. Correct me if I'm wrong, Melissa, but it's like a daily supplement, and it has 75 different ingredients.
That's right. It simplifies your daily health.
Because we both take, she's way more regular about it than I am, but we take some vitamins and some supplements. She does more than I do, but I seem to forget quite often.
And Athletic Greens simplifies that. So it's no matter what shape, size you are.
What are you saying?
Athletically or not, which you'd think I'm the one going to the gym, I should be athletic. Mike could outrun me, trust me.
I don't know about that, but she goes to the gym 5 days a week. I walk maybe 4 days a week, 3 on the treadmill. and maybe a day or two I'll go to town and walk. And it's something that we like to do. And one of the biggest challenges that we've had, at least me personally, is finding something that's simple and easy, that has everything that I need. And that seems to be the case with Athletic Greens.
It definitely simplifies your daily health.
So we believe Athletic Greens, what we're looking for is 3 different things. Energy, what else?
Immunity and digestion. Those are the most important things for me, and it's been there to help out. And like I said, it helps with my daily healthy routine. We're
not coffee drinkers. I've always been lucky. I've been able to just get out of bed and tear into things, and I'm sharpest first thing in the morning. I mean, the minute I wake up, I can start doing things, but it's kind of a downhill progression from there the rest of the day. So that's kind of what I'm looking for, more mental clarity, as the day goes on. I think Athletic Greens will help with that as well. And the immunity thing's a big thing too.
Yeah.
I just think it'll help. This time of year, you don't get the sunlight that you normally should.
Right.
You don't always eat right, and this is just super convenient. It's one swig each day, and that's it. We have everything covered, and we've been taking it for about a week now. I will report back at a later date whether it's a sponsored video or not, let you know how it's going, but I'm actually pretty excited about this. I had been looking for something along these lines. I'm 55 years old right now. I'm not getting any younger, and I need to take better care of myself, and this is one of the first steps in doing so. I think it'll be a great thing.
Yeah, I do too.
So besides all the benefits that Athletic Greens provides, what's one of the things you like most?
The daily convenience. It makes it possible, simple. I don't forget, like you said, we're taking care of some important things for Hunter in the morning routine, that his things can't be forgotten. And then midday, I'm like, oh darn, I have too many things to add to it. It makes it simple, easy, convenient.
She would lay out like supplements for me and like put them on my desk or put them on the bar in the kitchen, and like half the time I would take them. This I seem to be able to remember really well.
Yeah.
And like you said earlier, this is the best time of year to start this kind of thing.
Yeah. Here we are at the end of the year, and in a few weeks we'll be starting a fresh new year. And it's always a time to start a new daily routine or improve yourself. I'm going to start exercising. I'm going to start being better organized. This puts everything together. Here you go.
Be a great time to kind of jumpstart all that.
A scoop and a shake and
boom.
Yeah.
If you want more information, go to athleticgreens.com/outdoorswiththemorgans to get started on your order. Athletic Greens is going to give my community a free 1-year supply of immune-supporting vitamin D and 5 free travel packs with your first purchase. So when I got back from town this morning, I sawed up a real nice red oak log on the woodmizer. Matter of fact, that was the last video. This stack of lumber right here is what I got out of that log. It's all mostly clear, all 8-footers, really nice stuff. Well, what I just did, I gathered up the slabs and the center of that log, and I took it down by the log splitter, which is what we have right here. I got 3 slabs off that log. You'd think there would be 4, but the 4th one was really thin. I'm not going to use it for anything. But out of these 3 right here and the center, I'll use this for bundle firewood. And here's a good look at the center of one of these logs. I was pretty close on it right here. But as you get close to the center on this hardwood, it's filled with checks and cracks, and it's pretty unstable. So that's why I use this for firewood. But what the plan here is to kind of quantify, how much we're going to get out of that one log. We'll tally up all the lumber, and we'll figure out about how many bundles of firewood we'll get out of it. And we'll kind of tally that up and see what that one log is worth, with a little bit of effort and time. I got everything cut up, and I have everything on the log splitter here to give you a look at how much I got. Quite a nice jag of wood right there. We will fire up the splitter, split this stuff up, put it right here in the basket. I'll give you a look at the basket here, and we'll try to get an idea. It'll be a guesstimate, but just about how many bundles we will end up with. We got all that split up. I tried keeping track of how many pieces. I'm not 100% sure, but I think about 75 or 80 pieces of wood we got out of those slabs and the center of that log. We get about 10 pieces, 10 pieces per bundle. So we're going to call it 8 bundles worth of wood we got out of that slab in the pith. So we got 8 bundles times, let's say $6, right? $48 worth of bundles. Then we have all this lumber right here. So in all that lumber, we've got 2 at 4 inches wide. We've got 7 at 7 inches wide. And we've got 8, run out of room here, at 12.5 inches wide. That pile of lumber over there totals 105 board feet. I would say $250 a board foot. We'll just go with that. Comes up to $262, right? And 50 cents. So you take the $262.50 plus the 48, that log, we should get about $310.50 out of that log. So that's actually not too shabby. As you know, I have a manual sawmill. I'm trying to think, I could probably do 5 logs like that in a day, plus cut up all the firewood easily. I could definitely do that. I probably have about an hour and 15 minutes, hour and a half in that one there. It's so hard for me to tell because I'm always setting up cameras and moving things around. It takes a lot more time. But let's say you could do 5 of those logs a day. Yeah, $300 a pop, easily $1,500 a day. I don't see any problem with that at all. So that gives you kind of some idea what this stuff's actually worth. Now the cherry's worth more, walnut's worth more. If I would kiln dry that lumber, it will be worth more. And you know, once you get into the thicker stuff, there's more value in that. But that's a nice added little perk there, you know, splitting up those slabs and the pith. That's an extra $50 basically. And yeah, that works out pretty good. All right, we're gonna head up to the house, and a lot of people have been asking about daughter Eva. Melissa's gonna come out. We'll give you an update on her here in just a second. So it's starting to get dark. I just came up to the house here. I was telling them we would give them a update on daughter Eva.
Yeah, daughter Eva's hanging in there. She saw a new doctor the day after her surgery was canceled, and he's this world-renowned neurosurgeon, so that's really good. We were able to, I feel that we were blessed to be where we were and to be able to get in and see him the very next day. Her surgery is scheduled for the 1st of January, and she's hanging in there. She's actually been doing pretty, last week or so, headaches were non-stop. Right. This week hasn't been so bad. Right, she's doing a little better.
So hopefully she gets through Christmas good and everything. And
she loved it. So many of you sent in cards, and she loved that. That just actually helped her bridge this gap. And thank you so much. If you do want to send Daughter Eva a card, you can send it to P.O. Box 2140, Cranberry Township, PA 16066, and that's in the description of this video. So check it out if I said that all too fast.
Yeah, it'll be in the description, but yeah, so we'll be...
Yeah, and also, if you want to get on that train and be a part of the Archie fan club, these are, this is my sweatshirt, but we're selling the t-shirts for the Archie fan club, and it says "We stick together" with some sticks. It might just be one stick and not two, and it will have "Outdoors with the Morgans" on the bottom.
Yeah, and a lot of people have been asking about sweatshirts.
Paw prints, they will not be on the sleeves of the t-shirt. So
yeah, a lot of people have been asking about the sweatshirts. We're going to work on...
we are working. I'm working on finding something. I don't want to order these sweatshirts that are going to cost a customer $50. Like it's...
Yeah, they're expensive. We're trying to find a...
Right. So hopefully that'll be soon. But check out the website for our t-shirts, because we do have the wood round that says "Outdoors with the Morgans, the finer things in life," and then we have the Sasquatch that says "Outdoors with the Morgans, believe in yourself," and then we have the Archie fan club, and we're actually going to be adding one more, probably the first of the year. But I'm trying to get everything done and shipped before Christmas. So thanks so much for everyone that checked those out and ordered them. We really appreciate it. All right, we also want to thank Athletic Greens for sponsoring this video. Check the link that's in the description of this video for Athletic Greens. We appreciate that, and thanks for being here. Comment down below and share the video. Make sure you're subscribed. We'll see you on the next one.